Wake up feeling heavy, heart a little slow. Mind keep on racing, but energy won't go. Trouble getting focused, can't find your flow. You might be tired, yeah, emotionally low. 6 signs of stress, I'm here to show. Reggae vibes, so your mind can grow. Feeling drained, don't you let it go. Listen close and let the rhythm flow. You're always tired, can't rest at night. Feel irritable and small things ignite. Lose interest in things that used to feel right. Body and mind say, slow down, hold tight. Headaches and aches, you feel worn out. Trouble making choices, filled with doubt. Burnout creeping in, no need to shout. Reggae psycho vibes gonna sort it out. Seen signs of stress, I'm here to show. Reggae vibes, so your mind can grow. Feeling dread, don't you let it go. Listen close and let the rhythm flow.